Hello student. Now previous video we saw practice set 1.4 question number first and second. Please share and subscribe and give your comments. In this video we'll continue this practice set 1.4 but next question, that is the 3 and 4. Now here see, two equations are given: 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 equal to 85. And another equation is given: 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 equal to 89. This equation is written as it is and number is given 1 and 2. Now see here, a equal to 1 upon x by 2. So how substitution we have to do, we studied in previous videos and introduction. Now here 27 means 27, here you can write like this. This is the roughly 27 upon x minus 2 means what? 27 into 1 upon x minus 2. So what will come? If this x minus 2 is a, so 27a will come. Okay, so like this. Then 31, so 31 upon b equal to 1 upon y plus 3, so 31b equal to 85. So third equation. Then for second, here 31 upon x by 2 means it is a 31a and 27b equal to 89. So this, now these two equations easily you can solve because you know that how to solve. Now here see, exchanging of the coefficient. So 27a and here 27b, here 31b and 31a means just coefficient is exchanged. So like this situation is there. This video also we studied, check that in previous video. Like this is there, then what we have to do? So very simple, we have to add and subtract. So adding equation 3 and 4, if you are adding this equation, see, you will get 58a plus 58b and 174. All these three numbers are divisible by 58, so divide by 58. So 58 you are doing a plus b equal, here 174 divided by 58 you will get the here 3. Okay, so a plus b 3, this is the fifth equation. Now this only two equations we have to subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. So 4 is written first and then third, and subtracting means we have to change the sign. So minus, plus and minus, opposite sign we have to give. So 31 minus 27 means it is a 4a. Then here again minus 4, bigger number is sign, no, 31 is bigger, so minus 4b and equal to 4. So now see, very easy, divide by 4, so you will get a minus b equal to 1, so 6. Then 5, again add 5 and 6, so this is the 5 equation and this is the 6, add these two. So b plus b and minus b is there, so it is eliminated. So 2a equal to 4, a equal to 4 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, so you will get the 2 answer, means a equal to 2. Like this, a equal to 2 in equation 5 means this 5, so a plus b equal to 3, this is also 5 equation. See that we have to put a equal to 2 plus b equal to 3, b equal to 3 minus 2, so it is a 1. Okay, so now again resubstitute the value of a and b we got, and b what we a equal to a x minus 2, so a equal to 2 means this equation we will get again. So what we have to do, cross multiplication. So 1 equal to 2 bracket, make it bracket here, then x minus 2, so 1 as it is, 2 into x, 2x minus 4, so minus 4 will transpose this side, so it's become plus and equal to 2x, 5 equal to 2x, 2x equal to 5, x equal to 5 upon 2. So we got the value of x. Then same here, b equal to, b means what, 1 upon y plus 3, so equal to 1, b's value is 1. Now cross multiplication, so 1 equal to y plus 3, and this y plus 3 is, bring this side minus, equal to y. Subtraction here, bigger number sign, so minus 2 equal to y equal to minus 2. This is the, so x and y what, 5 upon 2 and 2 in the is the solution. Okay, then next, now here two equations are given: 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x minus y, and 3 upon 4, and this another equation. So this we written. So here a equal to 3x plus y and b equal to 3x. So very simple. So what, this is the a, so a plus b, this is the b upon 3 upon 4, this the, and another one is there, see, here 1 upon 3x, this value means it is a. Okay, this means a. So what we will come, a upon 2 will come here also, then b upon 2, okay, and equal to minus 1 upon 8. So this equation is 3 upon 4. Then here multiplying equation 3 by 4, this 4 is there, upon 4 is there, so what we have to do, multiply by 4, this third equation by 4. So what will come, see, 3a, sorry, 4 by 4 you have to multiply. So 4a plus 4b equal to, this multiplying by 4 means 3 upon 4 multiply by 4 1. So 3 will remain. So we are getting the fifth equation. Then here also same, multiply by 8. If you are multiplying by 8, so what you will get here, see, if you are multiplying here, see, a upon 2 multiply by 4, so 2 ones are, so what you will get here, sorry, you have to multiply by 8, so 2 ones are 2, here 4 you will get, so 4a, like this, minus 4b, and here multiplying by 8, here multiplying by 8, minus 1 upon 8 there, see, minus 1 upon 8, if you are multiplying, so 8 ones are 8, so you will get the minus 1. So here you will get the minus 1 actually. So minus 1. Okay, then adding equation 5 and 6. So your 5 is written here, see, this is the 5 and 6, okay, that written. Now if you are adding this 8a, this will get eliminated. So 3 minus 1, 2, a equal to 2 upon 8 means 1 upon 4. Now substitute a upon 4 in equation 5. This is the your 5 equation. So a 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 4b equal to 3. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are. So 1 plus 4b equal to 3. So 4b equal to 3 minus 1. Okay. So 4b equal to 2, b equal to 2 upon 4. So here 2 ones are 2. So it is 1 upon 2 and b equal to 1 upon 2. Now resubstitute value of a and b. A equal to 1 upon 3x plus y, so equal to 1 upon 4. So take the cross multiplication. 3x plus y equal to 4. Okay. And then here again this is the 7th, and here 3x minus y equal to 2. This is the 8th equation. So again 2 equations. So now adding equation 7 and 8. So adding means plus y and minus y will get eliminated. So you will get the, here see, 6x equal to 6, x equal to 6 upon 6 equal to 1. Okay, so x equal to 1. Little big and little lengthy, but it is a very simple, step by step you have to understand what we have to do. So substitute value of x equation 7. So your equation 7 is 3x plus y equal to 4. For your understanding I am writing like this again. So x equal to 1, so 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. So 3 plus y equal to 4, y equal to 4 minus 3, y equal to 1. So here 1 and 1 means x and y, so both value you get 1 and 1 is the solution of the given equations. So it is a very simple, easily you can solve, step wise you have to solve. So thank you for watching.